Namaskar, myself Dr. Vijay Kumar Andriya, and I am a postdoc research scholar from D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies. Yeah. My topic for the postdoc research is exploring the market feasibility and potential applications of additively manufactured multi-fiber reinforced ABS composites on advanced engineering, tooling and electric vehicle market in India. The significance of the study, if I will talk about, then this study may reveal the significant breakthroughs in advancement in advanced engineering using additively created multi-fiber reinforced ABS composites where improved structural integrity can be, reduced weight can be, and enhanced performance can be found in engineering applications that can revolutionize the Indian industry. This research may also reveal innovative uses of additively manufactured multi-fiber reinforced ABS composite in tooling. This might improve manufacturing tool longevity, accuracy and cost effectiveness, affecting automobile and consumer product production. The research may examine how composites might positively affect the EV market. Now, EV industries in India is growing day by day. So, this might advance this industry by revealing the lightweight, efficiency and manufacturing feasibility of specific EV components. The fourth can be study market feasibility analysis may reveal the economic viability and market readiness of composite material in India. Investors, corporations and politicians might use this rating to make strategic choice and drive technology investments in adoption in diverse areas. So, this research examines how this composite may impact society broadly. It might create jobs, improve skills, and more sustainable manufacturing, supporting India's technical progress, economic growth, and environmental sustainability objectives. If I talk about the research gap, the market viability and potential applications of additively manufactured multi-fiber reinforced ABS composites within this context are not well understood. Despite the growing interest in composite material for advanced engineering, tooling and EV vehicles in India and the growing adoption of additively manufactured technologies in countries, while the use of composites and additively manufactured have their subject of much research because technical research is already done. The implementation and adoption to the market is needed. So, closing this research gap will help industry players, policymakers and researchers make well-informed decisions because it will shed light on the feasibility, difficulties and possibilities these novel composite materials present in the context of India's quickly changing industrial landscape. If I talk about objectives and consumer perspective, how it can be to evaluate the level of awareness and perception among the consumers regarding additively manufactured reinforced composites, investigating the barriers or concerns consumers may have in accepting and adopting the product featuring the composite material, examining the important aspects of environmental sustainability in consumers' decision making regarding products made with the composite material. Second aspect is manufacturer's perspective. We can evaluate the technological readiness of manufacturer to incorporate additively manufactured multi-fiber reinforced ABS composites to their production process, assess the challenges and barriers faced by them, and evaluate the impact of the composite material on the performance and quality product, including any observed improvements or challenges. There are different hypotheses can be considered, and if I will talk about the research methodology, the study incorporates qualitative as well as quantitative research methodology for the purpose of the study. The research design involves a mixed method approach to investigate customer awareness, consumer perception, environmental factors, and manufacturer focused goals related to additively manufactured multi-fiber reinforced ABS composites in India. Surveys, interviews, Likert scale analysis, qualitative interviews, focus group, and internet debates. Research will be conducted on comprehensively to assess this aspect. The study area focuses on basically India only, Indian market only, and sample size will be approximately 380 total. Data collection is already done from the manufacturers as well as the consumers, and statistical tools used are Excel and SPSS tools. Primary statistical tools, these are the primary statistical tools for the data analysis. And techniques are descriptive statistics, mean, median, standard deviation, inferential analysis, regression, correlation, and t-test will be utilized to analyze the interpretation collected data, providing insights into the various aspects of additively manufacturing multi-fiber reinforced ABS composites in the Indian market. Till now, research paper has been prepared, and it is submitted to the Open Journal for the publication, and patent drafting is under process. Thank you so much.